Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to the online version of Tango Masters Musical Movement 1 for Argentine Tango. This online course is an abbreviated version of the material you will learn in class. It's important to listen to the selected musical pieces on the Musical Movement 1 page of the website, which is labeled Chapter 1 on the navigation bar. Okay, today the main points are musical category and musical phrases. There are three musical categories in tango. Music can be considered tango, or the music can be considered valse, or it can be considered milonga. These are different characters of music, and so you would dance them differently, but what they have in common is they all can be considered to have four-count musical phrases within them. So what you need to do is to begin moving when the musical phrase begins, pause when the phrase ends, and you'll have to practice in order to hear the phrasing of the music. You want to sequence improvisations that you've already learned together into four-count walking phrases to match the four-count beats of the music. It's best to begin and end a phrase in home position, which you should remember from the principles class. Follows simply enjoy the serenade, remembering the basic principles as you walk with your lead, and keep the heel of your backward walking leg down, which makes your leg straight, so that you can transmit your weight change to the lead clearly, and he can get the feedback that you're landing on the beat, so he can adjust his pace to make sure that happens for you guys together. Thank you very much. See you later.